G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just at the shed and I thought I'd give you guys an update on all the vehicles and what I'm doing and what the plan is this year. So I'll just start with the little Hilux that pretty much is just my run around and do all the tip stuff and whatnot in it. And I might have some plans with this a little bit later on down the track, but at the moment it's just a good runner. It's probably one of the best ones in the fleet at the moment. But I actually just did a bit of cosmetic stuff. I replaced this blinker and this one here. So instead of having like that real quick blinker flash, I've got, because I had the front one which was all rusted out, and got that all fixed. And so it's good. Aircon's cold. As long as it doesn't sit in one spot for too long, it's all good. But yeah, that's cool. I actually really like driving this thing. And also I got new wheels for it. Territory stockies that Mark and Phil helped me out up at Mark's block. Had some lock nuts on it and the boys did a good job. And moving on to the F-Truck, I'm going to have to put the bodywork on hold, bar the cab. So the boys at Classic Car Connect are just working along on that, and getting rid of the rust, making it all sweet, doing the roof and whatnot. But I've got the tub back here, and the reason for that is just because I want to get the HX finished. And I want to get it back here mid this year. It's been 4.5 years, this build. So I'm starting to get the ball rolling with that at the moment. And I'm had a gut full of it and ready to, I want to drive it, I want to race it, I want to get it going. And so basically with the F-Truck, that's, I've got a fair bit I can do here on the chassis. So I've got the trans there. I've got myself a clutch from boys here at Extreme Clutch who've hooked me up with that, and I've got the front and rear disc brake conversion I can do, and start getting some engine components going as well. So and sorting out tail shaft, diff, all that sort of stuff. So there's a fair bit of stuff I can do without sort of blowing too much cash, which I need to get into. And hopefully I will be able to soon. Just back at training and trying to get fit again. And in summer in this shed, she's bloody hot. But I'm going to start moving forward with the truck in that aspect. So the bodywork's going to be put on hold for a little bit. So moving on to the HX. Now I'm going a billet block from Bullet. I spoke to them, got a few quotes. So basically all I need to do is just pick it up and go from there. Head's getting done. Mick's organised that, so I'm not too sure who's doing that. But I've sent the turbo, the Plasma Man Plenum over to Adam. So he's going to finish all the hot side, cold side. He's finished painting the chassis, so that looks unreal. I'll show you a little clip now. He's going to start painting that very soon. Basically getting the ball rolling with that. I want him to have that car finished and all the fuel lines and everything hooked up by mid-year, and then I'll send it over here and we'll get the wiring and whatnot done. So I'm trying to get the ball rolling on that. Yep. And so I can get it here and finish it off, and then start focusing on everything else and moving forward with the truck and whatnot, having a nice daily. And got a few things over here. So that's the transmission for the HX. The Power Glide, I had that. There's the converter. I had that on the transmission dyno at Keys shop, which is Paul and Jamie, who got me on the Paul, and they're unreal. They got it in super quick and got it all done. Just made a few minor adjustments. I'm not 100% sure about what they did, but Blake's done his transmission the same. So I sort of put my faith in them, and they come through. So that's there. I've got some Now moving on to the Monaro, I've got some Tuff Mounts down here that Jace has hooked me up with, and a couple of other little things for the Monaro. So at the moment it's running pretty good. I literally just drove it to training and back to the shed here today, and yeah, it's going all right. Going to take it in next week before roll racing. The boys just going to, I think, maybe replace that oil pressure sensor. It seems to be working fine now. I don't know what's going on. It just, when it gets to the bend, it just sort of doesn't really like it. But yeah, I did a few Christmas deliveries at the end of the year last year, and it was rock solid. So they're just going to go over a few things. I might get them to put the Tuff Mounts in, and yeah, I'm thinking about driving it up this time. Whether or not that's smart or not, but I had a few big plans for it, but shit just got in the way, so didn't really happen this time. So maybe for the next roll racing, but yeah, that's where I'm at with my vehicles at the moment. Not a whole lot else going on, so I'm just going to try and get to as many roll racing events as I can. Also, I want to try and hold a couple of my own events at the Bend, or just some cars and coffees, some cruises. Yeah, just getting together, maybe sell some merch. And I know Mark's interested at the Iron Empire to get involved with that. So the Bend, I've spoken to them, they're pretty keen to do it. Also Zagami. So maybe if we have like a street off the speed track day and head up there and do a bit of cars and coffee, maybe breakfast, and then go do a few laps. So send me a message if you'd be keen to do that on Instagram, Drivin With Dixon, the Facebook page, or even YouTube. So even send me a message on there or a comment, and let me know what you think you'd like to see from me this year. And also, I have a few more merch things coming out soon. I've got some more hats. This is one of the prototypes. I got just a blank one. But yeah, I've got some more branding coming for my hats, and then probably some more tees as well. So sing out, let me know what you guys want. And yeah, we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting. Cheers.